Before the vlog starts, I just want to hop on and say, make sure you stick around, guys, to the end of the video where we will be sharing a little secret on what's to come for next year's products of the Gamma product range. Stay tuned.
I think the last time I was in one of your videos, you were starting this beautiful bald journey.
Hey, bald is beautiful, baby.
Bald is beautiful.
This is basically the plan and the breakdown of what we're kind of doing on this vlog. Now, obviously, we don't really normally do vlogs because they are a bit long and a bit boring. But I just thought while we're going down to what we're doing, about what I'm about to tell you is, we might as well vlog it, right? So Sunday afternoon, we've been to church. Now basically going to drive down to a family members in the Midlands area, and then we're going to pitch up for a while. We kind of thought we'd make a whole day of it. Tomorrow, Monday, I'm going to leave about 5, 6 in the morning, and then I'm going to drive to near Blackpool, maybe a bit further out from Blackpool. My ears just popped. A bit further out from Blackpool. A few of us are going down there, a few of the team leaders. We're going to do some training, do some talk about new products, things like that. And yeah, so I just thought I'd show you guys the whole kind of journey and take you on what we're doing. I've got the wife with me in the car. A lot of people, I thought I'd put the wife in, and comment below as well if you want to see more of my wife in videos. We done this one here, where I was actually shaving my hair, and when I first shaved all my hair off, obviously Meg, my wife, shaved all my hair off. And in the comments, you know, there were so many comments basically just talking about my wife. So yeah, I think we need to kind of put her in more. But guys, that's the breakdown of the plan. Stay tuned for the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you know what to do. Thanks again, and let's get it. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I just got up, just got some clothes on. Yeah, man, about to hit the road. Everyone's asleep in the house. So I'm being super quiet as best I can. So just gonna get changed, get the car ready, head out. It's about a 2.5 hour drive from where I'm at. Yeah, so I'm gonna just head out there, grab a coffee, 100% grab a coffee because I need one. And that's it really, man. So stay updated with me, stay tuned, and let's get it. It's 7 o'clock, so it's been an hour since I've actually got a coffee. I'm just now in the queue. 1 second. Thank you. There it is, guys. Let's get it. Right. I need to stir this drink. Back on the road, let's go! Oh, after 2.5 hours, maybe a bit longer because it's so much bloody traffic, I'm actually here, guys. Finally, just arrived. I'm bursting for the toilet, so I'm gonna run in and make this short. But I'm not sure, obviously, how much I can film. Because obviously we're talking about training and products and stuff, so I'm not really sure how much I can film, but I'll film kind of as much as I can. So so stay tuned for that. But guys, remember to like, comment and stuff like that. If you have any other ideas or anything you want to see on the channel, make sure you drop them in the comment section, and I'll try answer everything I can. And obviously I'll try make the videos, you know, on request. But have a great one. I'm going to start the day, so let's get to it.
Also, if you want, you can change the leather. You can use the silver metal color with
the meeting.
I'll put a flash on for that, please. Thank you, buddy. You know that. Flash on.
Isn't it weird when you look at a camera, you look here, but really you gotta look
Yeah,
here.
it is a bit funny like that. You do that.
Yeah.
Look at the sunburn I've got on my face. Oh shit. Hey!
We're just vlogging. Yes, guys, welcome back. So I'm with Sam. Sam, do you want to put your name on?
Yeah, man. My name's Sam Phillips. You can find me on Instagram, Phillips_Sam, or just type in Guernsey Barber.
Just dropping Sam off in the Midlands from where we've just finished the meeting and the training, and then we just travelled like a few hours together back down to the Midlands. So it's been a good day. yeah, it's been a great day. We had some food, we had loads of training. Obviously couldn't film too much stuff because obviously there's new products and new clippers, right Sam? That we were like not allowed to film at all, and that's coming out in a few years, so which is cool. But you'll soon see some of that stuff on Instagrams and stuff. But it's been a cool day.
Yeah, it's been really cool. I don't know. Is there one thing that we can show them, or is there anything?
No. Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, there is one thing. It's not the most exciting thing, but for us, it is.
This is very cool.
So obviously it's been done before in loads of places. But we've got a universal blade setter that's coming soon as well.
Yeah.
Which should be quite cool. That's the only thing I can. Well, it's actually, these are final. They're done. Kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's the only secret we can kind of share now. But this will help you set your blade to either 0 gap or a 0.3 millimeter. So the out of the box kind of range. At the moment, they're only available for trimmer blades. But they are in the process of trying to design something that works better for the bigger blades as well, so that you can play around with them as well.
Mm-hmm.
But there's loads more other exciting stuff coming out, and things are going good. But this is one of the things we can share with you now, and it's probably one of my favourite, because it's one of my pet peeves, trying to
Do you know what it
sort it
was,
out.
Sam?
What's that?
A pencil sharpener.
Yeah, it is a pencil sharpener, isn't it? Yeah, it's good.
But it's a blade thing, right? It just does it on the blade.
Yeah, or with the old pogs.
Yeah, yeah.
Show my age now.
Or a little rubber or something. But,
Yeah.
yeah, that's cool.
That's cool.
But yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and follow the channel. I'll put Sam's details in as well, so make sure you give Sam a follow as well. He's got a super cool little setup, man, which is cool to follow. But yeah, thanks for watching the vlog. I might put some extra stuff in, but that's for now. And yeah, have a great one.